Here we are for sale, our September 2025 on a 75 plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied in this van with the 8-speed automatic gearbox, and this is an L2 or long wheelbase limited factory double cab finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through what makes this van one of our signature styled Ford Transit Customs. We'll also have a really close look at the condition of this particular example. We'll talk to you about what we've done to it during preparation mechanically as well, seeing as this vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is of course spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. Now on a limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirror caps, all come colour coded in the body colour, which in this case is the lovely metallic magnetic grey. And hopefully you can see here the brilliant fleck that is in this paintwork. It does look so nice. Now our signature styling is quite extensive. There's lots of bits that have been added to this van to further enhance it. That includes things like the gloss black rear spoiler just there. Is that a little bit of... That is a little bit of polish just there. Gloss black rear spoiler. You've also then got this gloss black full low line aero kit. So that includes the lower splitter just here, side skirts, the front splitter around the front as well. You also get the nice carbon rear bumper protector just there, and also the 20-inch alloy wheels. We'll talk you through a bit more of these in detail as we go around. But having a look at the condition here of the rear doors, as you can probably see, like all of our vehicles, this has been thoroughly detailed by our in-house detailers here, and it is looking absolutely spot on. You've got the rear parking sensors, you've also got reversing camera. All of that comes as standard on the Limited. You'll see the little dimple here on the door handles. That tells us we've got keyless entry. We've also got keyless start as well. So it feels a very modern van to live with day to day. Because as I say, you can just have the keys in your pocket, you can walk up to it, put your hand behind the door handle and it will open, and then once you're inside, push button and you have then started the van and you're away to go. But looking in the back of here, you can see that this one has also got brand new ply lining in the back of here. So we do this on the vast majority of panel vans which come into stock with us, and you can see our ply liner does a nice job, all nicely silicone sealed in around the outside. Of course you've got the nice hard wearing plastic flooring just there as well, which is nice and easy to keep clean and tidy. You can see this one has got the well, we can tell it's got a spare wheel because we've got the toolkit over on the left hand side here. You've got LED lights there, and you've also got extra LED lights which are operated on a switch just here, so you can turn those 2 extra LEDs on or off as well as you like. And having a look at the bulkhead, you can see the condition there, just how clean and tidy this is. I mean, it's in very nice order here. Full rear door coverage on the ply lining as well. Absolutely spot on, exactly how I would want to see one in the back. Now we'll continue to go around the outside. Now I mentioned right at the start of the video, this is a September 2025, so you've got manufacturer's warranty with this vehicle from 3 years from that date. So September 2028 is when the manufacturer's warranty runs out, so it gives you such peace of mind moving forward that you can take this into any Ford dealer around the country and you'll have the full warranty support of Ford, which is always a nice touch indeed. Having a look here down the passenger side, you can see it's lovely and straight and clean down the passenger side here. No dings or dents or anything. It's looking very nice. Opening up the passenger side loading door, you can then see the rear seats in the back of here. So on a factory double cab like this, a couple of sort of differences. So in the back, it is properly sort of finished in the back of here. So you get a full proper door card there. You get the full headlining which comes all the way through. You've also then got the bulkhead which is just there, which gives you that real separation from the cab to the load space. In the back as well, then you can see the outer seats have ISOFIX compatibility. Well, that's just blown in from outside. And yeah, the condition in here, these are shadows, they're not marks. It is in absolutely fantastic order. That just doesn't want to go away. In fantastic order here in the back, no issues at all. They're looking very smart. You've got of course the carpeted floor there, and you can see the condition of the step, the back of the front seats as well, all looking very nice. There's even a couple of little USB-Cs down there as well for some rear charging. If I open up the passenger door, then we'll start to have a look inside here. So again, just having a look at the plastics there on the door card, the step, the carpeted floor in the front again. This one is set up as a 6-seater, so you've got a dual passenger seat. You can flip these forward to give you access to some more storage under there. We always include an extra wheel brace with these vans because of course, when you fit in aftermarket wheels, the wheel nuts are a different size from that of the originals. 2 glove boxes on this Shape Transit Custom. So you've got an upper glove box here and then also a lower one just down there as well. A couple of tiny little marks just there. And if I'm being critical, that's about the only thing really to fault on the van. There's not really much else I can see. You might get the odd one tiny little stone chip here or there, but it is in really lovely order. Now, a bit more of this styling then. So as I say, you've got the side skirts here, so nice subtle gloss black side skirt. You've also then got the roof bars there, and then this one is spec'd with the 20-inch Paradox alloy wheels. So gloss black, really good looking alloy wheel, I think, really accompany the rest of the styling very, very well, and I think that works really, really nicely indeed. Of course, fully load rated with load rated tyres. LED headlights there. You get the forward LED headlights, this nice LED daytime running light, as you can see there. The front canards there, that's again all part of the styling package, the front splitter, and then also the gloss black honeycomb grille, which I think looks absolutely spot on. Really good quality to these grills as well. We've tried out a few, and we find that these are the best around, and I actually love the styling of it as well. So I think those gloss black elements, when you tie that in with the splitter, the canards, the wheels, side skirts, I think it all ties in very, very nicely indeed. Having a look at the bonnet then, just trying to see if there's any stone chips. You might get, as I say, 1 or 2 tiny stone chips here, but there's really not much to fault. It's in stunning order. Look at that down the side there in the sunlight here. It looks absolutely lovely. And so that's the really nice thing with a nice metallic colour like this. Of course, a lot of the sort of more flat colours have been very popular over the last few years, but yeah, as I say, these metallic colours, you can just see it gives such a nice speckle there in this direct sunlight. Having a look at the seats from this angle again, that is a shadow, that's not a mark. And having a look then inside here as the driver, sorry, my footprints there where I've jumped in. But having a look at the driver's door card there on the plastics, you've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors, and that's how those operate. 2 full remote keys. Now, as I say, these are keyless, so you can just have these in your pocket. You jump in, foot on the brake, press the start button just there, and then you are away to go. So as I say, it just feels very modern to live with. Auto lights, auto wipers, of course, on the left-hand side. Then you've got your onboard computer, you've got your cruise control settings up here on the left-hand side. You've got your volume controls there for the radio. Onboard computer controls are on the right-hand side, and you can sort of hang up the phone just there and skip to the next track. This one has got the larger screen in the centre here as well, so you've got a full digital dashboard here in the centre. 5,841 miles, that's all that this has covered from brand new, and you can see there's no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. Into the centre then, you've got this over a 13-inch display screen here in the centre. You've got DAB radio, of course, on here. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. If I put the vehicle into reverse, it will beep at me now because the door is open, but that's where you've got your reversing camera display as well, and then all these controls along the bottom here. So you've got your heated seats, your climate control settings, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, and the other heated seat all along the bottom there, which is very, very nice indeed. And then buttons here then to control your vehicle assistance and things like that. Down below then you've got a little 12-volt socket there and a couple of USBs, and then you've got the nice little hidden cup holder just there as well. But again, fantastic condition in there, really nothing to fault. So during preparation, Bridgend Van Care, which is our van specialist workshop, they've put this vehicle right through the workshop to thoroughly check it out, and they've given it a fresh interim service. It's not really due at this sort of miles or this age, but we are very fussy and we like to see it done if we get the chance. So as I say, this one has had a fresh interim service, so it's got a clean bit of health and absolutely ready to drive away straight away. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide, and also we can arrange funding at very competitive rates. So whether it's a limited company or a private individual, we can arrange funding for you, of course, subject to acceptance and status. Rates at the moment starting as low as 9.9% APR, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. If you'd like to head over to our website there. You can, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, the photography of this van, and of course all the other lovely vans that we have currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.